Welcome back, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining me here today. My name is Pritesh with KAIZN Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Catalyst. We have submitted 3 proposals for Catalyst Fund 9. And in this video, I wanted to give you a brief overview of some of those different ideas and projects that we've been building throughout this bear market. If you all do enjoy this content, please be sure to drop a like for me. It really does help support these types of videos. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe as well. I post Cardano content about things like NFTs, DeFi, how-to videos, a whole bunch of things. You definitely don't want to miss it. So jumping right into this video today, I'm going to keep this very brief as possible, giving you an overview of some of the things that we've been building throughout this bear market. If you can, please be sure to vote for these Project Catalyst proposals for Fund 9. It would really mean a lot and allow us to keep on building these great projects. So first off, taking a look at the screen, I've got the links for all of these proposals in the pinned tweet on my Twitter. So follow me at KAIZN Crypto and you'll see the first pinned tweet at the top. It's got a breakdown of all the different proposals that we've put together. And the first one is going to be Lovelace Saga. So what you'll need to do first to see these proposals is head over to cardano.ideascale.com. Go ahead and create an account and you'll be able to click on that link and it'll take you right to the proposal. I'm going to go very brief, very overview-esque of this proposal and give you just a high and dry of what it is that we're looking at. So essentially, we've got a draft of what it is that we're building. I think that the idea of being able to integrate NFTs into gaming is a huge thing, especially when it comes to onboarding new users and creating integrations for blockchain technology. So if you think about how big the gaming industry is, and you think about people who play games like Fortnite or Call of Duty or any of these other big titles, they spend billions of dollars as an entire industry. And to think that the players of these games don't end up necessarily being able to own those in-game assets. So if they purchase an item for a title, they wouldn't necessarily be able to use that item in any other platform. So that's the idea that we have here with this NFT gaming, being able to give users back the control over those assets that they purchase and being able to use them in other use cases other than just this NFT game. So there's a lot of cool things that we have in store for this. We've got a breakdown of how we plan on addressing some of the things that are involved with building this project. We've got a roadmap. So it's an outline of essentially the steps we will take to achieve the vision that we have for this project, the vision, the workload, all that kind of stuff. We've also got a breakdown of the budget and the amount of funding that we're requesting. So make sure you check this out. There is a lot of information here, details about the team, the people who are helping us build this project. We've got some of the outlines that we've put in place in terms of what is involved, the task list, right? So there's quite a few things that have been completed. This has been in the works now for months. I think it's almost been more than a year, in fact. And this is where we are at so far. And with the help of the community's support and Project Catalyst, we're hoping that we can give this project some legs and really see it hit the ground running. So make sure you check this out. I did also want to show you in this video today, just a brief overview of some of the things that we've been doing behind the scenes with this project. So we've even got a pre-alpha, so to speak, like a game staging demo that we've completed. That's been going well, and that allows us to really help to test and implement some of these different features like matchmaking and connecting a wallet and all that kind of stuff. But in this video, just showing you some of the UI that we've created. So you've got the login screen. There's going to be things like tournaments and different events that we're going to be having with this game. It's almost like a Brawlhalla or a Super Smash Brothers type of feel to it. And I really do feel like something like that, something that's quick moving and fast paced, really is going to help to bring in new users to the community. It's a fun game that people can log in, log out, play, have fun. And being able to integrate blockchain and NFT technology as well, I think is a great thing. So things like this, we'll have tournaments. People will be able to earn prizes, almost like a play to earn thing where they can earn different rewards, ADA, tokens, you name it. So lots of cool stuff coming up with that. And then you've got the different playing modes, 1v1, team versus team. You can choose your character. This is a lot of work that's been done behind the scenes. I don't want to go too long with this, but just showing you that this has all been created. The UI is completed. So, you've got the matchmaking, right, where you can find a game, you can connect with other players. You'll even have a chat where you can talk to them. So there's going to be a community feature as well. This is going to be what it looks like when you're actually in the game, right? So you'll have your map, you'll have your timer, your settings. You'll be able to see the other players that are playing with you in the game. You've got your life, your health bar. So this has all been put together. This is pretty much all completed. And so far, the growth of this project has all been completed from personal capital. So funds that I've put into the project, funds that I'm able to earn by doing things like operating the stake pools or being involved in various other NFT projects, right? This is all possible because I'm within the Cardano community and have been working hard for a long time. But I think that with the help of Project Catalyst this time around with Fund 9 and with the help of you, the community, this is really something that I feel very passionate about. And I think that we can really bring something amazing to the community. So just wanted to show you that. It's a bit of what we've got going on with the UI. So this is pretty much all created. It's just now a matter of development and making sure we can put all these pieces in place. So check out Lovelace Saga, NFT Gaming, Cardano NFT Gaming, Lovelace Saga. That's the name of the proposal. Make sure you check out that link in the pinned tweet. And also I will be sure to leave those links in the description as well. Next is going to be Cardano Calendar. So there are so many different projects, whether it's NFT drops, whether it's DeFi launches, DEXs, you name it, different promotions that different projects have, airdrops. So how do you keep up to date with all of these different things unless you're on Twitter 24/7? Right? That's one thing I've found very overwhelming is keeping up with everything that's taking place within the space. So the next projects that we're building, the idea that we have is to create a one-stop shop site that allows people to get updates on anything that could be taking place within the Cardano ecosystem, like NFT projects, different DEXs, in-person meetups, anything that requires a time and a date would be able to be seen on the Cardano calendar. Same idea that we've put here. We've got a breakdown of what it takes to put this project into motion, the problem that we are addressing with this specific funding category in Catalyst. We've given some visuals as well of what this project is going to look like. So I'm actually going to show you that as well. Very similar to Lovelace Saga, we've already got the UI created for this project. Again, being funded from personal capital, and with the help of Project Catalyst, we'll be able to complete the development tasks for it. Basically, some contingencies that we've thought about in terms of being able to bring this project to market, some of the steps that we'll take to be able to complete the development, such as the roadmap, long-term vision, managing the workload, and of course, an outline of the budget summary. So be sure to check that out as well. That is going to be stay updated with Cardano events. The project name is Cardano Calendar, and I wanted to show you the UI for this as well. So this is something that we've really thought a lot about. How can we make it easy for a person to see so many different things that are potentially happening within the same day? So you'll have different ways to be able to sort and filter through these different projects, like tags, different categories that you can choose from. But this is going to be what it looks like essentially. So you're going to be able to see different visuals where you can have a week by week basis. You can see it just based on the events. So like what the events key attributes are. So like if you choose a specific tag, you can sort through all those. This is also going to be a daily breakdown of what those look like. So you've got different ways to be able to see all those events taking place. We're going to have ways for users to be able to create profiles as well. And then you're going to be able to create events as well. So if you do have a specific profile, let's say if you're an event creator, maybe you host an in-person meetup, you'll be able to have a profile on this website, and then you'll be able to go through the process of being able to add an event. And essentially what it looks like is this right here. You'll go through this process of creating an event. You'll have your Connect wallet. So you'll have an NFT that allows you to choose between either a featured event or a basic event. You'll be able to go through the process of setting the location, time, date, etc. So lots of work has gone into this as well. The UI is completed for Cardano Calendar. We now just have to go through the development process, right? It's very expensive to pay these developers, but once it's there, it's done. You just have to continue to iterate, work out the bugs and whatnot. But the heavy lifting is what we have to do now. So the UI is pretty much completed. And with the help of Catalyst, we're aiming to get this project completed as well. And last up, so it's going to be the Cardano 101 course by yours truly. So I've been creating YouTube videos for going on 3 years now, specifically related to Cardano. And I think that with the help and the support of the community, I've really been able to learn and grow as an individual, as well as a member of the Cardano community. Some of the videos that I've put out have gained thousands of views, and a lot of the most popular videos that I've ever created started with how-to, right? Just tutorials, being able to help educate new users about how they can get involved within the Cardano ecosystem. And that's really what I'm trying to do with this Cardano 101 course. I want to create a platform that starts from A to Z to get people through the steps of being able to create a wallet, get ADA off their exchange, things like being able to delegate to a stake pool, all sorts of stuff, even being able to vote in Project Catalyst. So things like what we're talking about today, and being able to look at these proposals on Ideascale and how to get the app set up on your phone. All of that stuff is what I'd like to talk about in this Cardano 101 course. And again, we've also got the outline, the roadmap, how we intend on completing this project, as well as the detailed budget breakdown for this project. So make sure you check that out as well. Please be sure to drop a kudos if you do want to support any of these projects. Make sure you get out there and vote for these proposals as well. When Fund 9 voting begins, I will be sure to keep the community updated when that does take place. I would really appreciate your support. There are incredible builders within this ecosystem, and we really want to help to provide value and to continue to grow the Cardano ecosystem with your help. So that is what I have for you all here today, everybody. Just an overview of what we're looking at, the different proposals that we've submitted for Catalyst Fund 9 to help us continue to build and provide value throughout this bear market. Leave a comment as well if you do have any questions about anything that we've talked about here in this video today. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.